just wanna take your picture, go ahead, stand there in the door.
Hey guys, today I wanted to share with you guys how I achieved this look. I've been getting a lot of compliments on my hair lately and I wanted to share it with you guys. So if you would like to see how to do it yourself, you can keep on watching. Things you will need are a comb for sectioning, some clamps and hair ties to hold your sections, some water to spray your hair with, some leave-in conditioner, some oil, some jam, some scissors to cut your weave with. I bought 6 packs of the Model Cuban Twist hair, but I only used 5. I bought 4 packs of the Outre Kanekelon hair. The first thing you're gonna do is section your hair, front, middle, and back. That's what I did. The next thing that I did was I sectioned my hair into the size that I wanted my faux locs to be. That's what I'm doing right now. And pre-sectioning your hair, it saves you time, so you won't have to section your hair every time you go to do a faux loc. It will already be sectioned for you, so it just saves you time. After sectioning my hair, I'm going to moisturize my hair for my protective style so it won't be dry. The first thing I did was spray water on it. After I sprayed the water, I used some leave-in conditioner. Then after the leave-in conditioner, I'm going to apply some oil. Alright, after that, you're going to start doing the faux locs. The first step in creating the faux locs, well, the method that I used was to braid some braiding hair onto my real hair. You might have to do it a couple times. This is my first time doing this, so I had to retry it a couple times. But I just braided my real hair with the fake hair until I got past my hair. And once I braided it past my hair, I didn't braid it anymore because I feel like that was a waste of time. So I just braided it past my real hair. Alright, after you get done braiding it, this is going to be the second step. It's going to be wrapping the hair. So you're going to take the Marley hair, or you could call it, and you're going to leave a little like that. And then you're going to wrap it at the base a couple of times to secure it. That's what I'm doing right now. Once you get done wrapping it at the base, that's when you can start moving down the braid and creating the faux loc. And you're going to flatten out the hair while you're wrapping it so it will cover it. I'm still doing the base right now, but then you're going to start wrapping down like that and flatten out the hair like I'm doing so it won't be lumpy and it will cover the braid. You're just going to keep wrapping until you get to the end of the braiding hair. Right here, I'm going to be adding a second piece of Marley hair to the loc because the hair that I got wasn't long enough to cover the entire loc, so I just added a second piece. The way that I did that was the same way that I did the top. Just wrap it at the base. Your base for the second piece is going to be the end of the first piece of Marley hair, and then after you secure your base, you can just continue wrapping down the loc as I'm doing right now. So you're just going to be repeating those 3 steps: moisturizing, braiding, then wrapping throughout your entire head. You can part your hair however you want it. I did like natural parts because I'm not a perfectionist and I don't like that look of boxy parts, so I did it like how I wanted it, but you can do it however you want to do it. It's very easy once you get the hang of it. You're just basically repeating the same 3 steps: moisturizing, braiding, and then wrapping. This was my first time doing it and it turned out great. I received a lot of compliments on it. So if I can do it, you can do it. Once you get to the end of the faux locs, you can wrap the hair back up to secure it. The same way you wrap it down, just wrap it back up so it will stay. You can use nail polish to secure it, but I did not use that method because I didn't like the way the nail polish sticks to my hair. Also, I tried it on one of the twists and the hair started smoking, so I said no, I didn't do that. So that was the last step in doing the faux locs. I just did the same thing over my whole head until I was completed. So that was it. Thank you for watching.